Hello, welcome to my channel, and I will show you how to connect your GoPro 10 camera with your PC and how to transfer files. So what you have to do: first, from the right side of your camera, when you're looking on rear screen, is cover. This cover is for USB-C input, covers battery and SD slot card. So what you have to do: we have to open this cover, put your nail here in this scratch and simply pull it and open the slot. Now you will see battery here and USB-C input. Now you have to take the cable from your computer, USB-C cable, and input it in slot like this, okay? And as you can see on the screen of our computer, nothing happened. We have to do one thing more, and that is to turn on camera. So press power button on the left side of your camera like this, okay? The camera will turn on. On the screen will written USB connected, and here is the window that appear on screen of your computer. This is the screen of memory card on your GoPro camera. Just open it, and here it is. There are files that is located on your GoPro. Simply drag this file and put it where you want in your computer. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. If it was, please like it, share it, and of course subscribe to my channel for more useful videos.